Welcome to a product demonstration of the Tooltos 8-inch Vibratory Tumbler jewelry polishing machine, designed to easily and efficiently streamline the polishing and deburring of small parts. Designed with advanced spiral flow and three-dimensional vibration technology, this machine saves time, energy, and labor, making polishing tasks up to 10 times more efficient. Its high-quality inner rubber drum is built to last, offering low noise, high carrying capacity, and resistance to wear and corrosion. Perfect for deburring, grinding, chamfering, and polishing, this machine works with a variety of materials and metals, including aluminum, copper, and zinc. It also polishes gemstones, jewelry crafts, and automotive parts without damaging their shape or dimensional accuracy. Follow the steps below for optimal performance. 1. Connect the power supply. Be careful to check that the power supply voltage is the same as that used by the machine. 2. Open the drum cover and insert the abrasive material. It is recommended to insert approximately 80% of the drum capacity. This is only a demonstration. 3. Turn on the switch and the machine starts to vibrate. 4. Put in the object to be polished and wait for the polishing to finish to obtain a smooth object. Each package includes the Tooltos 8-inch Vibratory Tumbler polishing machine and a detailed English manual to help you get started quickly. For efficient, precise, and high-quality polishing of metals, gemstones, and more, trust the Tooltos 8-inch Vibratory Tumbler jewelry polishing machine. Elevate your craftsmanship today.